Hi, I'm Daniel, one of the founders of Fonio. I'll show you now in 100 seconds on how to create an AI phone agent with our platform. First, I create a Fonio account to set up my AI agent. Let's call her Sophie. Next, I define the basics for Sophie, like her voice and how she should generally start conversations. To do this, I can either give her instructions via text, let her summarize my website, or upload PDFs. After that, we can add basic skills, like call forwarding or letting Sophie send an email with the transcript or other information, depending on how the conversation goes. I can even go further and give the AI access to my calendar for appointment scheduling, or give Sophie very specific instructions on how to conduct a conversation. That's great for edge cases. And if you have technical know-how, you can even let the AI do API requests before, during, and after the call to access external systems like CRMs or ERPs. Once everything's set up, I can test the AI in live conversations in the browser.
Hello, this is Sophie from Fonio. How can I help?
Finally, to go live, you can either publish your Fonio number on your websites where customers see it, or, and most of that, use call forwarding from your main number to your Fonio number, where your AI then always picks up. And that's it. It's that simple. Have fun with Fonio.